We're talking today about the V18 cordless stick vacuum from Jashen. I think it's probably one of the most reasonably priced high performance vacuums on the market today. It's convertible from a standard floor vac into a hand vac with just a couple clicks. Comes with all the accessories. Let's take a look at it in action. Well, I've unpacked the box, and it looks like it's just a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks, and everything's put together, despite all the parts you see here. So, let's give it a try. The power unit goes on the top here. That slides in there. The unit here aligns, oops, wrong end, and that clicks in there, and then the floor tool, I'm assuming, goes in here, and we're ready to vacuum. So that was easy. The choices you're going to have to make are the floor cleaning tool here, which is right now set up for hard floors with the soft, fuzzy kind of roller on it to do carpets, and you want to beat the carpets to get the dust out that's down in the fibers. We're going to swap out this roll in here. For upholstery, you've got a little hand tool that'll go on here. For general dusting, you got your dust brush that'll give you a lot of suction here while the dust is broken loose from the surface with the bristles. And then for your crevice tool, which that's what I get a lot of use out of in the car. So there we go. And by taking off the long wand here, I do believe all these tools can be put on like so. So when you're dusting, you've got maximum flexibility because all you're holding is just the unit here, which is very well balanced. It's got a nice feel here to grip by. There's almost like a trigger thing here. Even though there's no trigger there, there's a slot for your fingers that makes it easy to hold. And yeah. Looks like this is going to be fun to use. And then you've got your wall bracket here that the unit will hang on. And so you can let it recharge while it's hanging on the wall with this wall bracket. I'm not going to show you vacuuming the whole house, that's boring, but I did want to show you how it gets underneath the furniture and turns on a light doing it. One of the things that is a problem with a lot of upright vacuums is they don't get really under the furniture that well. But this one gives you a lot of flexibility. As you can see, I can take this all the way down parallel to the floor almost. And so it'll get right underneath the bed for me. I've taken the floor cleaning tool off and adding the dusting brush, and this is perfect for around your ceilings and doing those ceiling grills. If you get any cobwebs up there in the corners, the bristles break them loose, suction pulls them out. That's a really quick way to go around the room. Then when you're done, it's just a simple matter of taking off that long extender tube and putting on the little crevice tool in its place, and now I'm ready to go out and do the floor mats in the car. So after a week on the road, time to clean up the car, and nothing better to do it than the crevice tool. That's going to be our tool du jour. Then, after getting the all the big stuff off from the mat, great job to get the carpet with the little upholstery tool. It does a great job of actually beating the carpet and get that clean. And if you've ever tried to do car mats with a regular vacuum, I don't know how it sucks the thing up. When you pull back on it, it rolls the mat right up. This one seems to work just great. One of the interesting things about the V18 is that it can actually sense the amount of dirt that it has to pick up and will adjust the power accordingly. The other really nice feature is this all-in-one LED display on top of the battery. Got a cleaning alert that'll flash when you have your canister getting full. You've got a dust sensor and a battery level that'll show you how much power you have left. So that's it. It's the V18 cordless vacuum cleaner by Jashen. Check it out. I think you'll like it.